Hello everyone, this is the Analyst. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
List. As now you are aware of business analysts. Let us now look into various skills of business analysts. Now that you know about roles and responsibility of a business analyst, we shall look into their skills. Skills of a business analyst. To become perfect in business analysis, it is required that those professionals must possess some relevant skills. If they have these skills, they will be able to perform the tasks in an efficient way. So, now, let us talk about these business analysis skills. In general, there are many skills required. This may be very confusing. So, to make you guys understand better, I have categorized the skills into various parts. These include hard, soft, and technical skills. These skills help them to improve their productivity, efficiency, and profitability. Apart from this, there are methodology skills that help the process of business analysis run smoothly. Now, let us discuss each skill in broader aspects. Let us now start the discussion with hard skills. Hard skills. So, hard skills are job-specific skills that mainly focus on practical knowledge of the subject. These skills must be present in every business analyst to improve the company's standards and proficiency. Let us now check the various hard skills required for any business analysis professional. The first one would be understanding the industry. Every business analysis professional must understand the trends in the industry and analyze their position in the present market. They also need to have a clear picture of what techniques, tools, methodologies, and skills others are using and implement more innovative ways to make their company's standards high. The next hard skill is collaborating with the stakeholders. The key responsibility of all the business analysis individuals is to communicate with each of the stakeholders. He or she is also required to convince his decisions to get the new implementation done right. To make all these happen, they must be in line with stakeholders and always update them with each change that is found. By doing all these, the demands of the stakeholders can be fulfilled. Understanding project management is the next hard skill. During the process of business analysis, or while performing various tasks, business analysts get themselves involved in the projects. Their tasks in the stream of project management are many. Business analysis helps in gathering all the data required for performing the project management activities. This process also helps them to identify the missing parts that would be caused in various project implementations. In addition to that, the analysis makes them document all the business requirements. Finally, make every individual actively participate in each part of the implementation that in turn converts the action to deliver the plan. Defining solutions. Business analysis emerged for a reason to deliver adequate solutions. A business analyst's key duty is to check for the problems faced by most of the departments. After gathering the issues, a business analyst must formulate appropriate solutions so that proper implementation of the solution can be done. The next skill is organizational skills. Business analysts have to possess some organizational skills for the smooth running of their company. Some of them would be multitasking ability, diplomatic leader, adaptability, assertive in nature, time management. Soft skills. Coming up with the next category of skill, we have soft skills. Soft skills are those which are essential for the successful functioning of an organization. Every business analyst must have soft skills to survive in this competitive world. These skills are not specific to any job, but one must necessarily have these skills. These soft skills make any business analyst choose the correct decision and the right path that enhances the organization's proficiency. Some of the business analysis soft skills would be creative thinking. Creative thinking ability is one soft skill required in the business analysis to input great ideas and plans. This skill makes any business analyst choose a better approach to many problems. They also gain the capability to create new ideas and transformations that are suitable to the situation. Creative thinking skills also include inspiring and productively considering new plans, generating innovative ideas for themselves and others, updating existing concepts and ideas. The next soft skill is good communication in verbal and written form. Most of the time, business analysts have to interact with many clients, users, stakeholders, management, and developers. Hence, communication is the key element for them. As a business analyst, you are expected to arrange meetings, listen to each query, ask the right questions, gather new data, and build relationships with colleagues. To collectively make all these happen, effective communication is the only method. Problem-solving skills. Problem-solving is one of the fundamental business analyst skills. In-depth decision-making ability, problem-solving techniques, leadership qualities, etc., are all quoted as problem-solving skills. Business analyst's primary work is to build a clear understanding of problems, outline aspects of the problem, and to determine potential solutions. The various stages in problem solving are discussed now. Initially, to begin with, analysts identify the problem. After that, he or she creates a problem statement that states the problem. After doing all these, analysts will try to gather the relevant data that may help them to identify the cause for the issue they are facing. After analyzing the complete issue, he or she will try to formulate an adequate solution and then propose a relevant solution to the team. Later on, after completing all, analysts will try to implement the solutions. Negotiation skills. Business analysts negotiate or facilitate negotiations at every turn. At the very infancy of a project, negotiation skills are used to determine what should be included in the vision of the project, in the project charter. Hence, negotiation is one of the most underappreciated soft skills in the business world. For business analysts, the more you work with different types of people, the more you negotiate throughout the day. Coming to the next business analyst skill, we have technical skills. Business analysts must have technical competency in their work area to understand the present evolving technologies. Technical aspects include programming and testing the product, using cases for functional requirements, knowing about SQL, wireframes for visual needs, and many more. Let us now see all these skills. In the first line, we have data review and analysis. Data review and analysis are technical skills used by an analyst to help organizations make more effective business decisions by gathering and analyzing data for the business and evaluating them. Business analysts will use data to outline problems, figure out appropriate solutions for businesses, and document them back to their stakeholders. The next technical skill would be SQL. SQL allows a business analyst to clearly understand and interpret documents that contain results from many databases. It also enables you to perform a more comprehensive analysis of the data stored in relational databases. As a business analyst, you will be required to work on ER diagrams that consist of the information's entities and relationships where you need to prepare all your maps, documents, reports, etc. Knowing .SQL basics will help you in dealing with all the aspects mentioned above. Moving on, we have software testing. Software testing is the process of validating a developed software system to meet the desired business needs. Any defects identified during testing will be analyzed, verified, and retested by a business analyst to ensure that these are working as required. A business analyst is also involved in testing because he knows the overall system requirements and difficulties. Hence, any issues will be corrected and resolved quickly by business analysts. Some of the streams of testing where a business analyst works, but are not limited to, are user acceptance testing, system testing, security testing, integration testing, unit testing, regression testing, use case diagram. A use case diagram provides any business analyst a high-level description of what your system must do and who all can interact with it. Use case studies are those communication tools that are used to allow end users to express their necessity. The stakeholders can also identify how the user interacts with the system and can make the required steps to improve the system using use cases. Documentation. Documenting is one of the best technical skills required for a business analyst. It mainly concentrates on writing reports, planning the implementation, documenting, analyzing the details, etc. But, why write reports? The answer to here. The key reasons for writing reports are: documents and reports help understand the instances effectively, as it also includes parameters such as the target readers and the message you're trying to reach. Along with that, it helps to have a copy for future references. Now that we have discussed a business analyst's essential skills, let us now check the business analysis tools and know more about them. Top business analysis tools. Microsoft Office tools. Business analysts widely use the below tool list of Microsoft suites. Microsoft PowerPoint. This particular software helps them prepare and deliver formal presentations. Every business analyst must be doing presentations. He also needs to communicate ideas, justify or provide project updates to stakeholders. With PowerPoint presentations, communication becomes easier. Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet-like tool. Excel has several built-in mathematical and financial functions that can perform data analysis. The work like reporting, creating dashboards, and creating tables can easily be performed using this tool. Microsoft Word. This particular software helps business analysts to create documents by making templates. Microsoft Word has so many templates and features that you can use for different purposes. It also offers various visual elements such as user-preferred fonts, themes, objects, shapes, smart arts, and Visio diagrams. Microsoft Visio. Microsoft Visio is a leading tool for business modeling. It is the tool that business analysts use to capture and present stakeholders' ideas effectively. It can also create case diagrams, project schedules, and project flowcharts to generate architecture diagrams and data models. Standardized approach. Google Docs. I am sure you might have heard of Google Docs. Google Docs offers several features that make using them very comfortable and easy. Some of the features that made business analysts to use it are: Google Doc is a handy tool for sharing documents online that allows to create, view, and edit files online. Also, one can download files in different formats such as PDF, text, docx, and many others. Balsamiq. Balsamiq is a leading cloud-based tool for designing wireframes that provide content and user interaction. This tool is an excellent tool for business analysts working on new product design, brainstorming, mind mapping, and sketching new business ideas that provides immediate feedback from stakeholders. This collaboration tool helps BAs communicate their vision for the product to the relevant stakeholders. Some of its cool features that help analysts to work faster and smarter include: the facility can host the projects online with a top-notch and easy-to-use user interface. It also has pre-installed libraries that allow building wireframes. Trello. Trello is one of the useful project collaboration tools. It uses a Kanban-style approach for managing and prioritizing tasks. With this tool, a business analyst can easily track his tasks, project plans, and the progress of key activities to be completed. Along with that, it helps to analyze the business data. Some of its cool features include: Trello can view team activity and also has an option of exporting data as a much easier way. I hope that this training video helped you by giving you all the information you were looking for. Thank you.